Welcome to the How channel, where curiosity meets fun. Here we dive into the most mind-blowing, jaw-dropping, and just plain cool facts from all over the world. From the wonders of nature to strange historical tidbits, we bring you surprising facts that will make you see the world in a whole new light. Whether it's quirky trivia, amazing discoveries, or things you never knew you needed to know, our videos are packed with information that'll make you say, "I had no idea." Hit subscribe and join the adventure of learning something new every day. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the place where we break down the mysteries of the universe and beyond. Today we're diving into one of the most mind-bending questions in science. How did the universe start? Grab your spacesuit, because this journey is going to take us back to the very beginning of time. Alright, let's rewind way back. We're talking about 13.8 billion years ago. This is where the story of the universe begins, and it all starts with something called the Big Bang. Now don't let the name fool you. The Big Bang wasn't like a giant explosion, as it's often depicted. In reality, it was an incredibly rapid expansion from a hot, dense point known as a singularity, a place where all matter, energy, space, and time were packed into a single, super tiny point. Picture this. All the matter and energy in the universe was squished into an area smaller than a single atom. Then, boom! Or rather, whoosh! Everything expanded at an insanely fast rate. This happened in what's called cosmic inflation. This rapid expansion took place in the first fractions of a second, and it was mind-blowingly fast. As the universe expanded, it began to cool down. The early universe was so hot and dense that atoms couldn't even form. There were just subatomic particles like protons, neutrons, and electrons. But as it cooled further, these particles began to combine, eventually forming the first atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium. And here's where it gets exciting. Over time, gravity started to pull these atoms together, and this is what formed the first stars and galaxies. You see, stars aren't just pretty lights in the sky. They're the factories where all the elements we need to build planets and even life itself are made. In fact, we're all made of star stuff. Fast forward a bit, and the universe kept expanding and cooling. Galaxies formed, stars were born and died, and all the elements that make up the world around us were forged inside those stars. This process continued for billions of years, and eventually our very own Milky Way galaxy formed, about 13.6 billion years ago. Then, about 4.6 billion years ago, in a small corner of the universe, our solar system was born. A cloud of gas and dust collapsed under gravity, forming the sun, planets, and everything else in our solar system. So, what does that tell us about the beginning of everything? Well, the universe started from a tiny, hot, dense point and expanded rapidly in a fraction of a second. Over billions of years, stars formed, galaxies collided, and planets like ours came into existence. And it's still expanding today. In fact, recent discoveries show that the universe's expansion is actually speeding up, thanks to something called dark energy. But that's a whole other mystery we'll dive into in another video. So, while we don't know exactly what caused the Big Bang or what came before it, we've learned a lot about how the universe evolved over time. And guess what? There's still so much more to explore. The more we learn, the more we realize just how vast and mysterious our universe really is. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments if you want to explore other mind-blowing questions about the universe. Until next time, keep looking up, because the universe is just getting started.